Hey everyone, welcome to Brainopedia. Today I am going to tell you 10 elements that you can add in your child's bedroom. So, the first one is photos. It is wonderful if your child is seeing photos of his family and close friends in his room every day. It develops a sense of virtual bonding with the family who is not living with them. Photos of precious moments spent together with grandparents, cousins, childhood friends, classmates, teachers, and lots of celebration photos with parents are a must have for your kids' bedroom. Put them in the changeable frame so that you can keep changing the photos and put the new ones time to time. It will make it even more interesting for them. Next is plants. Having plants in your kids' bedroom is beautiful decorating element. Ask your kids to water them every day and they will watch it grow. In cold countries, outdoor activities are cancelled due to winters and rains most of the year. So keep some plants near your kids' study table, bedroom window. It will keep them connected to the nature in some way. Plants also teach us how to care. If you take care of the plants, they will grow better. This is what kids learn from it. If your kid can grow some of their own plants and watch them grow healthy every day, then each morning seeing a plant growing is an exciting morning activity for them. Reading corner. A nice, cozy, and quiet reading corner is a lovely element for older kids who can read. It can be a tent like structure in their room, a comfy chair, or just a nice arrangement you can make every day on their bed when they want to have a quiet reading time. In my house, I have my own special reading corner because I read a lot, and my daughter comes to me sometimes and just tries to flip some pages of the books. A white or a black board, whatever you like. It's a must for your kids' bedroom. It gives them a freedom to write anything without taking out a notebook. For parents, it's good to anytime explain something. I have a magnetic whiteboard which I used to be working on in my home office, but now I've shifted this to my daughter's bedroom and I found that it is more useful there. And I have some magnetic alphabets and figures which she keeps arranging and scribbles randomly on the board. Fifth is display of your child's precious art and craft work. Take a regular pin board or a thread to hang your child's creations. Why this is important? Because you will see his progress. Your child will look at it as an achievement and be proud of it. Display of artwork as a beautiful decoration for the room is a very important element. I keep changing these display every month so that we have something new to do, and we sometimes make themes according to festivals, events coming up. Baby monitor. I can't stress enough how important this has been since birth of my daughter. I know most of you must be already using it, but for the ones who are not using, I would highly recommend this for them. It is not only helpful for the little babies but for little older kids as well. For babies, it's great gadget for you to keep an eye on them, even if you are in kitchen and bathroom, just anywhere. For older kids, you can keep a check on them at night if they are sleeping in their own room, or when kids are playing independently in their own room, playing with their siblings or friends. It keeps a check on them for their safety. A healthy snack basket. I started keeping this in my daughter's bedroom when the lockdown started and we all started doing homeschooling. This is a convenient way to just fill things every morning and she can just grab it from there and whenever she's hungry or thirsty. I don't keep any packaged or unhealthy snacks. I only put some fruits which she can peel herself, some nuts and some roasted chane, maybe a box of tissue or an empty bowl. Now she doesn't ask me to bring a water or a snack whenever she's hungry. She knows she will always have it in her room. A good natural lighting. According to Vastu, also, sun facing window is very important for not only your children's bedroom but for your own bedroom for that matter. It gives a freshness to the room, and playing in the natural light is great for children's eyes. A kids learning calendar and a learning clock. You will find lots of different variety on Amazon and your local toy store. Even if your child is just a toddler, do hang it in his room so that he understands how important it is and starts developing an understanding of the clock and calendar. A magnetic calendar is great if you can help your child change the date and weather every morning. So the last one is good activity table. I have a lovely activity table which is multi-purpose, where we play, sit, and do messy activities. We sometimes eat together on it, and it has some extra chairs which can take a weight of adults, so anyone can sit on them. I recommend you should have a good activity table in your kids' bedroom. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you. Bye bye. See you soon.